I am still shocked at all of the boxes, and
I just want to say thank you for saving me a whole lot of money. What's up, guys? Welcome back to...
No, it's not your channel. Stay in your lane. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching. So you guys, I made it to Dubai. Today I'm joined with my darling fiance. This is Wesley, if you guys do not already know that.
I'm the videographer. I did all the videoing.
Lies.
And my inspiration and...
No. So anyway, today he's going to be joining me in unboxing today's video. He's going to be unboxing me. So today he's going to be unboxing with me. I thought it'd be really exciting and a little bit different compared to my previous unboxing videos. Also, side note, I did a unboxing video for the round 2 or round 3, and you guys, I completely lost the footage. I have no idea what happened, but the entire footage is gone. So with that being said, let's just get into today's unboxing. So firstly, I just want to start off by saying thank you to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for this amazing journey, for who I am, for bringing me so far in my creativity and, you know, just getting me through this whole process. Wesley can bear witness that from the start of this competition, everything was going back to God. Through the themes, through everything, I was just communicating with God through every process, through the entire process, and that's how I just become so confident and so much more creative. So
never give up, keep pursuing.
Yeah, and he was also really very, very inspirational to me as well.
Thanks.
So anyway, I also want to thank you guys. Every vote, every comment, every heart, every post, every share, you guys have made this possible. It's nothing else but you guys. Without that number of votes, I have no idea how much of votes, but all I can say is the amount of feedback I was getting from people. I can just imagine how the votes went, because the support from every one of you was amazing. I didn't think I would get so much of support like this in my entire life, but you guys were just amazing. Friends of friends, families, friends of families. It was just like people were so excited about this, and I was seeing my name everywhere. Like, it was crazy. This was the first time I had this amount of support from you guys. So
thanks,
thank you so much.
Thanks. I'm going to America. America.
Okay. So thank you to every one of you. I love you guys.
Let's get to it.
Okay, someone's very eager for the box.
So
okay, wait, I still have to tell them a few things.
Oh my word.
Okay, so today we got an email. Actually, the whole week I've been waiting for this email, because normally we'll get a theme and then we can start preparing our minds and all of that for like what we're going to be doing. But there was no theme, no email, so we was just waiting. Today we got an email stating that we are going to be getting the theme on Sunday, and we have basically like 5 days to think, come up with something, upload it, get it done before a certain date. And you guys, I was like, what? This is such a short amount of time, but you know something, I think this is really exciting.
I think it's preparation.
Is it? It's like acceleration. They want to see how fast we work and all of that, so I'm excited about that. So that's basically what I have to tell you guys. Okay, so they also sent me this huge...
So they sent us this huge box.
And it says
round 4.
Round 4 theme announcement, which will be live on the 1st of September 2019. So the entire world will know what the theme for round 4
on the 1st of September.
Wesley is literally the most excited person.
I just wait for the courier to get here.
I know, he phones me like the whole day and he's like,
because I'm at work, I'll be like phoning. What's did the box arrive?
Yeah, he's super excited. Just like me, I'm also very excited, and I'm so excited for this box. Okay, so
you literally received how many boxes like this?
and now I have 3 boxes together with
3 boxes, guys.
3 boxes
full of makeup.
I love the smell. There's a particular smell that comes with this box, and it smells so nice, like, you know, fresh. You know, like fresh, like a fresh car or something. It smells like new. Oh, I love that smell. So I've had this experience 3 times. Dun da da da. Okay.
Yes, sis. Yes.
This is a lot of products, you guys. Oh my word. So this is exactly what I'm seeing right now. So wow, this is amazing.
I'm super excited because I don't get to buy all these things and spend my money. Number 1.
Oh my gosh, I'm
Number
so
2.
excited. You guys, firstly, I just want to say, NYX, you guys always bring us the best makeup. And number 2, every box was amazing. There were so many beautiful products to try, and you guys, you just blow us away every time. So thank you so much for all of these goodies. My followers, I know you guys are like going crazy with the amount of products that I have, but you guys, don't worry. After this competition, I got something coming up for you. So subscribe.
What is this? Yo, this looks so classy with the NYX
wow.
engraved in here.
Yes.
Can
Oh
you see
my
that?
word, this is.
And then it's got
So
2
cute.
locks. You can also use it
So,
like if your brushes will go in here, and then if you're thirsty, you can just put some water.
Wesley, yeah, don't be silly.
This smells nice.
Yeah,
This
I think
one.
that's what's cute. This round they sent us brushes, and I'm so excited because by the looks of it, just like first glance, I can tell you it looks amazing. Like the quality, I can tell you these brushes are good. Okay, so there's 8 brushes in total, and it's a mixture of eye brushes and face brushes as well. So I'm super excited to try this out, and it's gonna go in there.
I was actually waiting for them to send you brushes because
Why?
the previous boxes did not come with brushes, and I was like, babe, you're getting brushes.
Yeah, he did tell me. I was so excited for that. So next up is the stripped off cleansing balm, and actually I tried out the first skincare that they did send out in the first box. It was a charcoal mask. Amazing.
This is the NYX Professional Makeup Pore Filler, and it's a primer base. So basically what this does is it fills the pores in your face.
Yeah, he got that right. Okay, so next we have the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, and yikes. Okay, so it's the tinted the tinted brow mascara, and it comes in 2 different shades. It's 2 brown shades, 1 lighter one and 1 darker one.
Ooh, my favorite.
I'm actually really excited for this, guys.
This is the Beauty Blender, am I right?
Yes, that is a beauty blender.
Yeah, complete control blending sponge.
Let me just open it and show them. So they took into consideration the
Detail.
baking and the, you know, the hard to reach places, and this is so like professionally done in my opinion. They also have their name engraved in this, and it feels like really good.
This is the NYX matte finish, matte, and the dewy finish.
No, this is another language, just say that.
Oh my word. Okay, this is the matte finish, long lasting setting spray.
Yeah.
So there's 2 types. Why are there 2 types?
So there's 2 types, and we also had this in our
one
previous...
is dewy and one is matte.
Yes, we have this in our previous boxes as well. Okay guys, so he was right. These 2 bottles, one is a matte and one is a dewy, and it is so beautiful on the skin.
So what's a dewy?
Dewy makes your face like, you know, glowy, and you have this glistening, gorgeous look on it. Okay, so I'm choosing the next one, and I'm so excited for this one, guys.
What's
so this is the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set Refresh Setting Spray, and guys, I've been eyeing this guy right here for the past couple of
You've been eyeing this guy. Hey, watch yourself.
So yeah, I've been eyeing this bottle for like forever, the past couple of weeks, and I've seen so many good reviews on this. So I'm so excited that you guys actually sent this to me. I was actually waiting for this competition to finish so I can buy this bottle.
I'm so excited, guys. Thank you for making my girlfriend excited.
Yeah, I'm so happy for this. So thank you so much. I can't wait to try it, and it is this beautiful pink hue to it as well. So
Yeah, thanks for the
Thank
pink hue. So this is the NYX pigment primer.
Okay, so this is the pigment primer, and this is for like, you know, your shimmery eyeshadows and stuff.
Yeah.
So this pigment actually makes your eyeshadow stand out and make it look
So what we're
beautiful.
really doing here, guys, is a one-on-one class.
Yeah, so this is, oh yeah, so you also know what to get from NYX vinyl liquid liner, and the liquid liner in the color white. So the
And black.
yeah, white and black.
So this is actually worth the hype. Because that's what it says. Worth the hype. This is a mascara.
Yeah.
So this is what brings volumizing and lengthening to your eyelash.
So the next product I have is the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel, and wow, you guys, I can't wait to use this to get my crazy eyebrows into place. So perfect. Eyebrow gel. Okay.
You have a gel for your eyebrows.
Yeah. Next up, you guys, I got these cool Electro Brights. These are matte lip creams, okay?
Wow.
The previous matte lip creams are beautiful. So yeah, these are the 3 new shades that I have. Beautiful electric colors. And then I also have another small gloss. This is the Glitter Gold in the color Retrograde.
Retrograde.
So that's pretty cool.
Okay, my turn. My turn.
Okay.
I don't know what this is, but this is Honeydew makeup.
What? Let me see.
Honeydew makeup.
Honeydew makeup.
What is it supposed to do?
I don't know. Let me
Wait.
see. He's more excited. Okay, so this is the NYX Honeydew. Not Honeydew makeup. It's Honeydew me up. Like.
Whoa! Hey guys!
Get for the program.
Honeydew me up. Your phrases are catchy.
Yeah, it
This
is actually.
But what is this?
Okay, so Honeydew me up, and it's a honey primer. Wow.
Wow.
So this is gonna give your skin like the
Glowing.
best glowing.
It's a glowing
look.
effect.
Yeah, exactly.
Well done. We need
Honey
glowing.
primer. I'm so excited to use this actually.
Right.
This
This is
is
a
also
glitter
another
primer.
glitter primer that I have. Yeah, this is another glitter primer.
Ah, oh, this one. Away we glow. Ah!
Yeah, that's cute.
What does the glitter primer say?
Okay, so this is the NYX Away We Glow Liquid
Away
Booster.
we glow. You get it?
Okay, so these are the cute bottles, guys. These mini cute bottles. Okay, so this is just basically a palette that... This is a new palette. Cosmic
This is
Metals.
Basically a
Wow.
bubble wrap.
So it has a mixture of...
Sorry.
It has a mixture of shimmers and matte. Very pretty colors here. So I have another NYX Ultimate shadow palette. This is the rainbow color that I used a lot in my previous video. So yeah, this came in handy.
Wow.
Okay, so this is very good. The next products that I have is these beautiful lingerie lipsticks. These are lip glosses actually. I have the color Euro Trash, which is a beautiful pinkish minkish color, and I have the color Clear. So this over top any other color would look so stunning, especially with that glitter lip. Stunning.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the 2. And then I have the NYX Duo Chromatic Shimmer Gloss. This is in the color Spring It On.
What is this? Epic Ink Liner.
Oh, I love this.
Is this for your eye, your winged eyeliner?
Yes, I'm just gonna show them. I got another Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder in the color Snow Rose. I think I have the shade. Beautiful shade, guys. This is the best. You know how beautiful and precise your wings are gonna come out, guys?
Actually,
You should definitely invest in NYX products. Next up, we go. Ooh!
Glitter
This
gold.
is beautiful. Okay, so this is the NYX Glitter Gold palette. There's 10 shades in here, and each shade is stunning.
And they gave you another 4 extra. Yes, there's more.
Oh wow, that's
More
a mini
glitter
one.
golds.
Okay, so there's a longer rectangle shape, and there's a small square as well. This is Glitter Golds. This is the Cream Glitter palette as well. And this is the Galactica palette, okay? And the bigger one is the Cream Pro palette. Okay,
There's
so we
12
have
colours
the
in there.
next palette they gave us is the NYX Ultimate Multi-Finish Shadow Palette. So there's 4 shimmer shadows, and the rest is 4 shimmer shadows, then 4 medium shimmer shadows, I think, and then there's another 4 that is matte. So perfect.
So you got
palette.
4 shimmer shadows, you got 4 medium effect shimmer shadows, and then you got 4 matte shimmer shadows.
Oh. Okay, so
matte
anyway guys,
colors.
beautiful. This is more of the cool tone shadows, and I think it's a super cool and very beautiful. So as you guys know, NYX always blesses us with the most beautiful loose pigments, and we have more, you guys. There is so much more here. Oh, I absolutely love these pigments. It is stunning. So guys, these are all of the loose pigments. Okay, so it's a mixture of mattes, shimmers, glitter. So yeah, beautiful colors, you guys. I can't wait to show you guys all of my pigments. I have so many of this already.
So this is the NYX Professional Makeup eyeshadow base.
Eyeshadow.
Not high, eyeshadow base. Eyeshadow base.
Okay, so next we have the NYX lip primer, and this is the shade. What is the shade? Okay, this is the shade Nude. So this basically makes your lipstick or lip gloss look more vibrant, and yeah, it picks up the color a lot.
We have the NYX Professional Makeup Wicked bristles. So those bristles I used, you know, on the brushes they gave, if any of the bristles come out, you just have to attach one of this.
And that's a no. So thank you guys. This is the NYX Wicked lashes. These are the individual lashes that you can apply to your natural eyelashes. It's not the strip lashes.
It actually
it's
looks
just
very real.
individual, yeah. So you can decide how thick or how thin you want your lashes to look. We are done with all of the products that I've received.
This is my favorite thing in this whole box.
Yes, my nieces ran in earlier and they were more excited for the bubble wrap. So thank you again. Thank you again so much, NYX. We appreciate and love all of the goodies that you guys have given us, and I am still shocked at all of the boxes. And
I just want to say thank you for saving me a whole lot of money. 4 boxes. How many? 4.
3.
3 boxes of makeup. I appreciate you so much.
Oh man, but anyway, honestly, this is beyond my understanding.
Firstly, I'm so proud of her. Top 5 is a big achievement, and this is not in Durban or in a particular province, but this is in our nation, our country, and if you make it all the way, you're gonna be representing South Africa. Yeah, I'm so proud of you, babe.
Thank you. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. We were a bit silly and acting crazy, but that is who we are. I honestly am so happy to share this experience with every one of you, and my family is also excited. So
stoked.
From everyone at home here, we want to say thank you again for all of the votes. So please, guys, we need your votes for the next round.
But just hold up.
Yeah.
Wait for the...
Yeah, wait for... Just stay tuned to my Instagram, because that's where I notify everyone on what's going on.
Yeah.
So if you guys are following my journey on this competition, then please stay tuned to my WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. All of my social media links will be updated, and you guys will have first preference in knowing when the videos go up and when you guys can definitely vote. So we need your votes again, guys. Please, exactly what you did for the previous ones, do it again. We honestly will appreciate it. And yeah, I just have so much of love in my heart for all of y'all, and I don't know, you guys, I am like still shocked that I'm in top 5. What? This is crazy. Okay, so yeah, all the best to all of the other contestants. Stay blessed, have fun, and just enjoy the next round. That's it for today's video, guys. Bye!